Hello friends, good morning. So this is the first day of our complete journey from Pune to Jamshedpur. The route we are taking is from Pune, and the first stop we are going to take is at Vizag, and we are going to go via Solapur, Hyderabad and Vizag, and the next day we are going to go from Vizag to Jamshedpur. So this is our first day and we are starting at 2:33 a.m. in the morning so as to avoid the traffic which happens in Solapur. And let's see. Thank you guys. See you. We have covered 1 hour now. It's 3:39 now, and as you can see the road is very good and we can drive as fast as we can, though we ask you not to drive fast, be in the speed limits. However, this is a very good road, and at this point in time the road is totally empty other than the trucks which are plying on the road. The local traffic is not there, and other than the trucks the road is mostly empty.
So we have crossed now Sholapur and it's about 5:51 and almost I think 250 kilometers we have crossed already, and the road is very nice. They were just one single diversion, and this road is very smooth.
Good morning everyone. So now as we can see it's dawn and the sun is about to rise. We are roughly 300 kilometers away from Pune, and now we are approaching Hyderabad, some 200 or 300 kilometers from here. And average speed that we could maintain over the period of time is approximately 70 kilometers per hour. And right now she is driving and she is also maintaining the same speed. So definitely this is a very good route. Some bad patches near Solapur, after crossing Solapur, and after that it's more or less quite smooth and going on fine. The road, as you can see, is a 4-lane highway, and right now the traffic is quite less. We have to see when it comes to later part of the day how is the traffic.
So we have crossed Zahirabad and the time is 8:43 a.m. and the road is super nice and it's 4-lane road, and there are very less diversions, I think 1 or 2 maximum, and we took almost 2 to 3 breaks till now for 5 to 10 minutes, and we are having our breakfast and everything with us only. We have prepared in night time only, and she's my daughter and she slept almost since from 2:30 a.m. till now, and then now she is having breakfast. So we are very excited for the further trip. Let's see in how much time we reach Hyderabad, and the next stop will be Vijayawada, and the last for today will be Vizag. We'll be taking a halt at Vizag, and tomorrow again in early morning we will take departure for Jamshedpur. So we have reached Hyderabad, but actually Google shows us the city road of Hyderabad, and we took that. But I think we should take outer ring road of Hyderabad. That will be like a good road, because here the traffic is huge and we are taking a lot of time to cross Hyderabad only. So I think our time span will increase a little bit. So let's see, but it's a suggestion that take the outer ring road. And we have reached Hyderabad at 10 a.m. and now I think within half an hour we will able to cross Hyderabad, and we will be approaching towards Vijayawada. So we have crossed Hyderabad 1 hour ago. We almost took 1.5 hours to cross Hyderabad, as we got in the city, I told you. So now we are approaching towards Vijayawada. This is an expressway. They call this an expressway, but actually this is a 4-lane proper highway. It's a good one highway. In between sometime you will get 3 lanes also and the intersections also. But it's a good road, and the scenery is also very good. And like this, the mountain we are able to see. So roads are very good actually. So let's see till what time we reach Vijayawada. We are crossing Vijayawada now, and there is not a lot of traffic. The time is 3:45, but we are crossing from the city.
In 500 meters, turn left.
The Google map is saying us again and again that turn left, but we don't need to turn left because we have to stay on NH 65 only, and straight we will be approaching Vizag. So stay on NH 65 only while you will travel. And the city is good. It has a nice view, so we are enjoying a lot. In Vijayawada we faced a huge traffic. Whatever we covered on the roads of Sholapur or somewhat of Hyderabad highway, everything goes into waste. And now we have crossed Vijayawada and going towards Rajmundry and then towards Vizag. Now at the toll gate there's a huge traffic. Instead of like everybody almost is having the fast tag, though the traffic is huge. So just take care before planning that whatever time the Google is showing, that is almost will be the same as we estimated some less time, and we covered also in the highways, but in the cities because of traffic everything goes into waste. So we will be approaching Rajmundry. It's still it is 100 kilometers away, and Vizag is 346 kilometers away, and the approximate time which Google is showing is 11:29 p.m. or 12 almost. The roads are pathetic. The complete construction work is going on NH 16, that is the Chennai Kolkata highway. In complete time the construction is going on.
There is either toll, or there is a city where there is jam, or there is a diversion. Basically there is no highway over here.
So now we have reached Rajmundry almost. From here 210 kilometers are left for Vizag, and the time is 8:20 p.m. The road is full of potholes, the small potholes, so the car is vibrating each and every time. We are not able to take the speed not even beyond 60. Very less times we are able to at least drive for 80. So now it's night time also, so we have lowered down our speed than usual. We are reaching Vizag finally, and the time is 12 a.m. around 12 a.m. and we will be staying at Vizag today, and again we'll be departing for Jamshedpur tomorrow morning after having the breakfast. So within 1 hour or 45 minutes we will reach hotel. Road from Rajmundry to Vizag is very good. The scenery is also very good, and it is proper 4-lane highway. And yeah, if you like travel in night, then you will be having like the most rush of trucks, and in between the barricades are placed to control the speed. Finally we have reached Vizag and we have checked in the hotel, and this is a good hotel of ITC Group. Welcome Devi, and approx half an hour or 45 minutes, half an hour before we just checked in. That is 1 a.m. So it's too late actually. So my suggestion is to everybody that if you're coming from Pune or Mumbai to Vizag or going further also, you also need one more stay. That can be Vijayawada or somewhere else.